So this is the last and full and final leak video of the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro just before the event. And keep this in mind, if you want to still get surprised by the Google's event, then definitely don't watch this video. But if you don't want to, if you want to know everything, then this is the video. Now we have seen tons of leaks. We have seen a full unboxing video of the Pixel 7 Pro hazel color recently. You can check out that video if you want. We have the full benchmarking scores of the Pixel 7 Pro if you want to check out that one. That is also linked down below. But this is where we're going to show a Google promotional video leak, and that is showing quite a lot of things. But this also might not be the most in-depth comparison between these two devices. And this is a 60-second clip tweeted by very reliable Snoopy Tech. So how will the Pixel 7 Pro differ from the standard Pixel 7? Well, 6.7-inch LTPO Quad HD Plus 120Hz adaptive panel versus 6.3-inch Full HD Plus 90Hz panel. There would be triple rear cameras at the back versus double rear camera on the Pixel 7. And the third camera is the 48 megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. With the AI power of the Tensor chip, it will be able to do 30x zoom compared to 8x on the Pixel 7. And there is also going to be the macro focus, because it is going to use the Pixel 7 Pro's telephoto camera instead of any other cameras, just like the Pixel 6 Pro. The autofocus capability is also coming to the ultra-wide-angle camera, the 12 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. Plus, the Pixel 7 Pro will have polished aluminum construction versus matte aluminum finish on the Pixel 7, even though Roland Quant actually said that it will be stainless steel on the Pro model versus matte aluminum on the Pixel 7. Now, as for the pricing, it is also pretty much leaked. €899 starting price for the Pixel 7 Pro and €649 for the Pixel 7. So yeah, you get it. That means the Pixel 7 Pro will be $250 more costlier than the Pixel 7 in the US. I guess we don't have to wait that long. Now, what are the features that the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro will have in common? Well, the Tensor G2 processor. Now, if you want to know more about the Tensor G2 processor and its benchmarking scores, then definitely check out my recent video on that. Also, the Titan M2 security chip will be common between these two devices, and both of these devices will also come with adaptive battery functionality for up to 72 hours of battery life. This will actually be the ultra battery saving mode that will actually kill all the apps at the background, will only allow the apps that are running in the foreground. Both of the phones will also come with IP68 dust and water resistant rating. But that's not only it. There are more, like 10.8 megapixel single front-facing camera on both the devices, and this camera will allow Google to create a depth map of the user's face to have a face unlock system. Both of the devices will also come with 128GB and 256GB of storage options. No half a terabyte storage option for the Pixel 7 Pro. That's actually sad. The Android 13, as we know, it's coming in both the devices, so we don't have to worry about that. Wireless charging, 30-watt fast wired charging, hopefully a much more optimized one, 5G NFC, Bluetooth 5.2, and in-display fingerprint scanner. Also, a studio speaker. And on top of everything else, this year, both the phones will actually support dual eSIM connectivity. So yeah, that's about it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, how excited you are for the event. And before the outro, here's one big important thing. Trust me, this is the best freaking wallpaper pack I have ever created. This is the Agate Series 3 wallpaper pack. This wallpaper pack has 18 super high resolution 8K wallpapers custom made for your tablets, laptops, and your smartphones. You can visit the link in the description below to check out, or simply visit my website johndavid.com for a lot more than these wallpapers, tech news, and so many stuffs. So yeah, definitely visit it. Until the next one, bye and take care.